Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear beloved brother and sister. So, this is Nuralam. Welcome back to my English habit. So, as well as I am here. So, today's topic is very, very important because uh, when I start my English learning journey, so I mistake. Okay, so today's topic is my biggest mistake. So, if you are a beginner learner, watching this video is a must for you. Okay, so let's get started. So when I start my English learning journey, I made a long sentence. This is my first mistake because, but I am a beginner learner, but I always try long sentence make. That is my first mistake. And second mistake is a very, very important. I made first time long video make in front of camera. That is my second mistake. Okay, so first time you cannot long video make in front of camera, but first time very shyness, very afraid. Okay, so that's why first time only just 30 seconds or 1 minute uh, video record in front of camera, and day by day improve your shyness, remove afraid, remove, and day by day improve your confidence. Okay, and third mistake is a very, very important. Third mistake I always uh, that is compare with other person. No compare with other person, only just compare you yesterday. Okay, because after 1 days ago, before 1 days ago and 2 days different, only your motivation. Okay, so no compare with other person, only just you compare you yesterday. That is your motivation. So first time uh, no long sentence make, no long video make, and compare with other person. Only just three tricks follow your development, your improve, day by day improve. Okay, so I hope this video you're helpful or something. Okay, so I want to just only one things. Please don't wait, never come. Please don't wait perfect time, because the perfect time never comes. So that's why everyday learning, keep practicing, and everyday consistent, and never give up. Okay, because first time I cannot something, but right now I am here, I talk you. Okay, and I make video every day, 2 3 4, consistency. Okay, so thank you so much everyone watching this video, and next see you soon. So tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.